Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy out there, and I'm excited to start this journey with y'all. So let's hop on the ride, and you can keep watching if you want to know how to do this look right here. It's kind of like a pink, red, smoky eye kind of thing with a little sparkle. Everyone loves some sparkle, you know. And I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, this is me with no makeup. I'm gonna go with my Anastasia dip brow. Here's me trying to read it like an idiot. I've had this pomade for years now, and this has not failed me. Okay, maybe not years, but like a lot of time. Make sure your makeup doesn't expire, y'all. You can see the back of the makeup. There's like this little icon that tells you the number of months till it expires. And I'm gonna go with my Anastasia brow brush to kind of get the darker shade on the outside and light on the inside. You know the drill. You can also set these brows with setting powder to make it last longer throughout the day. For my primer, I'm using my Fix and Fix green correcting primer because I do get red sometimes. I'm using a Tarte Amazonian clay in this shade Sand Neutral Light. I'm using the Innisfree setting powder, or you can use any setting powder you have. I accidentally let it go everywhere. Oh, there's my grandma. Say hi. Isn't she cute or whatever? Onto the eyeshadows. For my eyeshadow base, you can do any primer you have. I'm just gonna finger my eyelid real quick. And coming in fierce, we have the Bretman Rock Wet n Wild palette. Let's give it up for Bretman. My best friend Sarah got me this for my birthday, so shout out to her. Honestly, I buy all of my eyeshadow brushes off of Wish because they're so cheap and they're fluffy anyways. And I'm gonna go in with the lighter and cheetah shade with my fluffy brush. We're gonna put that shade at the crease. And I know what you're saying, girl, you're Asian, where your crease at? I don't have one, I have a double eyelid, so you just kind of have to put it in the middle between your eyebrow and your eyelid. I went in with my little brush over here. Blend, blend, blend. Whoa, we get a little close up and personal here. We going in with the Toucan Play That Game. Nice one, Bretman. And just putting it on the outer corner and making it really dark and bold. We ain't doing no underlining or italics here, okay? I like to use my badescu that everyone and the mama has to make the eyeshadow pop out and shine. With the shade Alpha in black. I'm putting that in my outer corner to get that smoky look. Here comes a thick brush, she kind of thickens. Coming in next, we have the shade Prowl. This is like a shiny gold. I love this shade. I sprayed it again in my badescu to make it. Oh, there we go. I did my other eye off camera. I'm gonna go in with my shiny, like, highlighter kind of thing on my eye. This is my favorite kind of like shiny thing that I have. It's Korean product and it like goes well on every look. Trust me. Are you ready for my lash collection? I didn't get to bring all my lashes back from school, so I'm just doing with what I have right now. I'm taking my dual lash glue and applying to both of the lashes. I started doing this more recently because I found it to be faster so they can dry at the same time. Maybe I'm just lazy. I'm using tweezers to pinch the lashes close to my lash line, and oh my god, tweezers are so much better than using your fingers. Period. We not done yet, y'all. I'm just gonna do a full face while I'm at it. I'm gonna use my highlighter colourpop to bring out my cheekbones. blend down my T area, my nose. I also like putting it on my brow bone to lift that brow. Tell everybody you have brows, even though you might not underneath. Who cares? Be whoever you want to be. I can always hit some highlighter in the inner corner too, because that makes your eye look poppy. I'm just using a new lipstick for the lips. Okay guys, one last thing. I just started to line my bottom, we call it lash line, and I think it just brings it up a whole new level. I'm using my tiniest brush that I have. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching. This is really fun to make, and subscribe if you want more videos of me. Let's be friends. Stay safe, stay home. Okay, bye.